Discover the heartbeat of the Himalayas. Tibet Art Studio is officially opening enrollment for our 2026 Tibetan music classes. Whether you're looking to connect with your heritage or explore a new musical world, your journey starts here. Why join our 2026 program? From the deep, resonant vibrations of traditional instruments to the ethereal beauty of sacred songs, our classes offer more than just a lesson. They offer a connection to a living legacy. Authentic instruction, learn traditional techniques passed down through generations. Preservation, help keep the vibrant sounds of Tibet alive in the modern world. Community, find your rhythm alongside fellow music lovers in a supportive environment. Enrollment details. Note, space is strictly limited. Seats are filling on a first-come, first-served basis. Location, Studio 5439 Sutter Avenue, Richmond, California. Enrollment open now. Requirement, no prior experience necessary, just a passion for the arts. Don't wait. Let the music begin. Visit us in person to tour the studio and secure your spot for the 2026 season.